everyone, my name is Amang Janal Gadda, I'm 9 years old. Today I will teach data types in Python. So let's get started. So first I'll give 3 plus 5, this is addition, and 4 minus 3, this is subtraction, and 7 times 8, 56, and all of these answers are the int because only numbers are int. And if we give like 3 divide by 2, we'll get 1.5. if that means it's a float. If there's a dot in the middle, then it's a float. So there's a difference between int and float, and it's not the same. And now here let's give like power 1, so I'll give 4 times 2, 16. So that's how we can use the power 1. Also, like, we can use big numbers like that also. So these are the arithmetic operators. And now let's talk about data types. There are many kinds of data types like int, float, double and all. So let's talk about them, and there's no option to clear this, so I'll just close it and open another Python ideal one. And now we can do like data type. So I'll give by int 1 2 3. It's a int. Here you can see it's a int. If I give time bracket 3.7, close the bracket, float, if I give type now here, if I give like anything I like, I'll give ammo. Now it's a string, so like that you can check the other data types. There are many other data types. Here I'll give true, it's a bool. So we can do many data types like int, float, double, int, float, string, boolean, or dict, or sets and others. And you can check another one called list, means like a list of items. So I'll just give like that, and here we can give a list of items and enter. Oh, sometimes a little syntax error. So like that we can do many other list, tuples, some other ones. And set is almost the same like list, but it's different because list allows duplicate elements. Like duplicate means like this. Duplicate like type, banana, develop, some more we can add. But in set we can only add like a few. Like it won't let us do duplicate ones, we can only write like that. So those are the ones in, so that is the difference between set and list. Now I'll just take a fresh new one again. So now let's do a few data types. So let's start with variable first. Data type must have a variable. I'll give a equal to any value. We can give here any value. Like first I will do like apple, banana, pear, orange, like that. Now if I just print A, now the list of items I given came over here. So like that we can do many things with variables. I will give like this time B equal to, here I will give like here we can give, I will give like fruits, vegetables and more. I'll give later. So now I just press enter. Now I want to print that B. So like this, fruits and vegetables, like that. So that's how in variables, and there's more. Like first we cannot start with the number and the variable, like 1 where equal to, I will give like I'll give apple here. Then we'll get a syntax error because we give a number first. Now if we give a word and a number equal to and enter, we didn't get an error. So like that. So that's the one. In variables cannot start with the number and they must start with a word like this, and then we can give the number later. So like that, and we can do numbers, other things. And now I will do like, if you're not comfortable, wait, not yet. So these are the ones in it. There are many data types and variables have to start with only a word. And finally, let's give like, and sometimes variables cannot start with a capital letter, only sometimes it allow. But in other languages it won't allow, but in in Python it allows this. I give var1 equal to like 89.7, and here print var1, we get it. It allow me in Python. And if you're not comfortable with Python ideal, you can go ahead with PyCharm. You can do it in command prompt also. You only need to type Python. There you can do flow or data types and other ones. Oh, here this is PyCharm. It's coming. It's opening. So let's it's loading. We just close this. Oh, so PyCharm will not be recorded here, and wait. So that's all in data types. We can do many other ones like string, integer and more. Like if you want to see, integer is very easy. so that is integer. And even float is very easy. 12.9. Enter it is easy. Even string is very easy. Can give like users, see, and even boolean is easy. And boolean, it can come for true and false. Like if we give like fall also, it can boolean, because boolean have two built-in values. One is true and the other one is false. True and false are the values in boolean. And thank you for watching this video, and bye.